Going camping unprepared can be dangerous, so here we bring you some gadgets that could even save your life. Much more than a simple barbecue grill, the Aquaforno 2 is a versatile system that doubles as a meat smoker, pizza oven, roaster, kettle, and even a fire pit and clothes dryer. It's one of those must-have camping inventions. Equipped with a stainless steel grill, a pizza stone, a kettle with a tap, a fire pit with folding legs, drying racks, and a smoke-regulating oven lid, it comes with all the necessary elements for a complete culinary experience. In addition, it includes accessories such as windshields, gloves, and a fire-resistant ground sheet to ensure safety during use. Its fully foldable and telescopic design allows for easy transport to the beach or campsite. You can use a variety of fuels, such as wood, peat, charcoal, or gas, to grill, bake, or boil at the same time to meet all your outdoor cooking needs. Setting up this portable kitchen is quick and easy, with an assembly time of less than 3 minutes, and packing it away at the end of your adventure is just as easy. Simply clean the stove once it's cooled down and fold the shelves in seconds. This camping invention is impressive, but the next one will take your breath away with its ease of use and adaptability to different environments. The AeroBed features an innovative built-in detachable air pump that cleverly fits inside the mattress itself, greatly simplifying the inflation process. But the innovation doesn't stop there. By removing the mini air pump from the mattress and connecting it to the AeroBed's exhaust port, it becomes a powerful vacuum pump. In just 60 seconds, the mattress was completely deflated. Then simply roll it up and store it in your backpack, taking up no more space than a water bottle. This feature of the AeroBed redefines comfort in outdoor camping equipment. In addition, the internal design of the AeroBed incorporates a unique string structure that intelligently organizes the air within the mattress. This arrangement creates a surface composed of multiple air cells, each acting as an individual support unit. These interconnected air cells divide the entire space into multiple independent bodies of air, providing enhanced and evenly distributed support. When fully inflated, the mattress reaches a thickness of 10 centimeters, providing a stable and comfortable surface to rest on. This camping gear is amazing, isn't it? But wait until you see what's coming next. It will immerse you even more in the outdoor experience with its advanced technology. The Duke & Loft Penthouse not only provides an elevated camping experience, but also ensures safety and comfort outdoors. This innovative structure allows you to camp at high altitudes, keeping you safe from wildlife, insects, and possible ground flooding. With the ability to support the weight of a car chassis up to 660 pounds, the Loft Penthouse is strong enough to comfortably accommodate a family of 4. Concerns about the Loft Penthouse's ability to withstand adverse weather conditions are natural. However, durability tests have shown that this tent is built to withstand the toughest challenges. In a wind test, the Loft Penthouse easily withstood winds of up to 20 meters per second, 45 miles per hour, ensuring that your shelter will remain stable in windy conditions. Even in hurricane-force winds, the Loft Penthouse proved its strength. When properly anchored with pegs, the tent remains completely secure in winds up to 23.6 meters per second. This resiliency gives you the peace of mind that comes from knowing you can enjoy the outdoors safely, no matter what the weather. If this beauty of camping has left you speechless, get ready for the next model that'll take you to new heights with its strength and added comfort. EvoTrail represents an unprecedented innovation in the transportation of heavy loads, whether in natural or urban environments. With the growing need to transport a variety of items, from essential tools to sports equipment or camping supplies, hauling can become an exhausting task. While traditional carts and electric carts offer some relief, none offer the same combination of efficiency, comfort, and autonomy as EvoTrail. EvoTrail's advanced design not only simplifies the process of transporting loads, but also redefines expectations in terms of performance and versatility. Equipped with self-guided technology, this e-wagon intuitively follows your steps, anticipates your movements, and provides a smoother, effortless transportation experience. EvoTrail stands out as a superior choice compared to other carts and wagons available on the market. In addition, its ability to adapt to different terrains and weather conditions makes it a reliable companion for any adventure, whether in the city or in nature. To sum up, EvoTrail represents a significant evolution in cargo transportation, offering a complete and advanced solution for all your transportation needs. Are you impressed by this camping device? Wait until you see what's next. It'll leave you speechless with its revolutionary design and capabilities that'll make you redefine what's possible in camping. Smart camping inventions taken to the next level. Join the eco-friendly movement with the Anchor Everfrost. With its 100-watt solar input, it offers a convenient, lightweight, and environmentally friendly outdoor charging option. Everfrost can maintain a temperature of 4 degrees Celsius, 39 degrees Fahrenheit for up to 42 hours respectively. Everfrost offers 4 different charging methods: via the 95-watt adapter, the car charging cable, the 100-watt solar panel, or the 60-watt USB-C port. For an independent battery, the solar or USB-C inputs can be used. On the other hand, for this self-powered cooler, the use of the adapter or the car charging cable is recommended. It's important to note that Everfrost is not completely waterproof because the battery's USB port is exposed. However, if contact with water is avoided, it's safe to use on a boat or near shore. You're impressed, right? Well, this next camping tool will amaze you just as much with its beautiful engineering and features that make your outdoor experience even easier. It's time to discover Hitch-Home, the innovative detachable air tent for trailer receivers designed to enhance your camping experience wherever you go, whatever the reason. With Hitch-Home, you'll have the best camping companion you could ask for. Explore the freedom offered by this collapsible air tent that easily attaches to and detaches from your vehicle. The Hitch-Home docking system offers exceptional versatility, transforming the tent from a compact model to a large winter tent for various outdoor activities. Its seamless design and inflatable structure promise a luxurious and comfortable outdoor experience, complemented by a 5.9-inch, 15-centimeter air mattress for a pleasant and comfortable night's sleep. Quick and easy to set up in just 3 minutes, it eliminates the complications of traditional tent setup. Experience true freedom, free from the limitations of rooftop tents, with the innovative separation between tent and vehicle. Did this tent surprise you? This next piece of camping gear will amaze you with its futuristic design and advanced features, which will completely change the way you enjoy the outdoors. The inspiration behind Around Fire, a smart and practical camping invention, was born during an ordinary outdoor gathering where the co-founders, weekend family camping enthusiasts, conceived the concept while preparing lunch. They realized the need for a barbecue table that would bring people together to grill and cook together, and this revelation drove the design of their product. With a decade of experience in global trade, their team quickly leveraged their knowledge and worked closely with manufacturers to find the ideal balance between portability and functionality. Through iterative design processes, testing, and adjustments, they arrived at the current product. Their commitment to continuous improvement and innovation ensures that Around Fire continues to set the standard for creating innovative and high-quality outdoor gear. The name Around Fire reflects their vision of people comfortably gathered around warmth, sharing food and strengthening bonds. This philosophy is the cornerstone of their brand. The Around Fire outdoor light stand features a clever clamp design that allows you to adjust the height to your preference, creating the perfect ambiance for any outdoor gathering. It's almost surreal, but the next piece of camping gear will amaze you just as much with its ruggedness and ability to handle any outdoor challenge. Revolutionary camping gear, the classic design of the Advanced Element Summer Shower combines simplicity and effectiveness to deliver a camping shower experience that exceeds expectations. This shower uses gravity, so you don't need an additional power source to enjoy a refreshing outdoor shower. It also offers multiple volume options to suit your needs, whether you want a quick shower after a hike or a long, relaxing soak at the end of the day. What sets this shower apart is its durability and convenient features. It's built with sturdy materials that can withstand the rigors of camping, so it'll last you a long time on your adventures. Plus, its affordable price makes it an attractive option for those looking for quality without breaking the bank. While it may not have all the luxuries of some of the more sophisticated camping showers, the Advanced Element Summer Shower offers reliable and consistent performance. It's light enough to carry in a pack during your hikes without adding excessive weight, yet versatile enough to provide the comfort of a hot and soothing shower in the midst of nature. And that's not all. Because if you like this, the next camping gear will take you to the next level with its innovative design and features that'll surprise you even more. The Sound Extreme Seb 26-inch, which makes camping cooler with gadgets like this, not only retains all the features of the original model, but also offers a notable improvement with its new long-lasting lithium-ion battery. This innovation eliminates the need to connect the unit to a 12-volt battery source, greatly simplifying installation and increasing ease of use. Designed specifically for a variety of recreational and transportation vehicles such as ATVs, UTVs, boats, and golf carts, the Sound Extreme Seb 26-inch is a versatile solution for enjoying music and LED lights while traveling on various terrains. Its water, dust, and dirt resistance ensures long-lasting, reliable performance in any environment, even the harshest conditions. With an impressive power output of 500 watts and equipped with 8 high-quality marine speakers, this sound system provides an immersive and high-fidelity listening experience.